What's going on today, everybody? Today I'm going to go through some of the products I use to keep my wheels clean and maintained and stuff. This is just a general list of products, and I'm not sponsored by any of these companies or anything like that. All this stuff you can buy in your local Walmart auto parts store. Some of the stuff I do kind of helps to maintain the finish of the wheels. As you can see, they're a special kind of collar, they're indigo blue, so it's kind of a weird collar. So I like to try to keep it as bright, as nice as I can for as long as I can. One of the things that I have found, especially for this collar of wheel, is you gotta have some touch-up paint. And this touch-up paint for this particular collar, if anybody has that collar, is made by Dupla Collar, and it's actually a GM factory collar for indigo blue. Matches pretty well. I've had some chips on these wheels for the last few years, and I've touched it up with this paint and matched. It's almost matched perfectly. Just a little tip in case you have an oddball wheeled collar. Sometimes factory collars of vehicles tend to match pretty well. Just something to keep in mind. One of the things that I do use, and you want to apply this when it's dry, and that is the Meguiar's Ultimate Wheel Cleaner. It does a really good job of removing the heavy brake dust and just general road grime. Just kind of falls off. It's kind of cool. It turns red and all that stuff. It stinks. That stuff don't smell too great, but it's overall it's a really good product. It does as advertised. I usually spray it on there. Like I say, the wheel has to be dry, cool, minute and a half. Then you take a pressure washer, spray it off, or a really good stream of water, and spray it off, and then go on about your normal cleaning of your vehicle along with your wheels and stuff, etc. After the car's dry and all that and the wheels are clean, I always throw a ceramic coat on it, and I use the CMX ceramic coat spray coating. I use it on the car also. I always apply this to, like if I'm storing the wheels for the winter, I always coat them for the winter time. That way when I get them out in the spring, they're good to go and ready for the spring summer season. So it's some good stuff. Like I say, I use it for the car also. As far as general tire maintenance goes, the tire black and spray, I don't use anything too special. I use the Meguiar's Hot Shine tire coating. It gets the job done, has everything looking good. I don't apply that before I store the tires for the wheels for the winter season, just because no real need to, in my opinion. That's just a general overview of kind of how I maintain these wheels. So I say they're not cheap wheels, so I want to try to keep them looking as good as I can for as long as I can. So if you found the video helpful, please leave a like. We'll catch you in the next one.